The respiratory system, explained, Fleetwood Park style, by Monica, Anmol, Navneen, and Amanda. The respiratory system controls the cycle of breathing in living things, such as humans. This system provides organisms with oxygen they need to survive and dispose wastes. Our school mascot, the dragon, is our example of an organism that uses the respiratory system to function. The respiratory system is much like a kingdom.
Begins at the nose or mouth of our diagram. When the dragon inhales through its nose, oxygen will travel through the nasal cavity and make its way to the pharynx. Tiny hairs called cilia and mucus in the nose are like guards. They trap harmful substances. In the pharynx, where the throat and nasal cavity meet, the oxygen then enters the larynx. However, before the oxygen meets the larynx, it must pass through the epiglottis, which is a protective flap that prevents food entering the windpipe. After the larynx, where the vocal cords are located, the oxygen passes through the trachea towards the bronchi. Now the oxygen enters the lungs and separates into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which are like hallways.
As it keeps traveling, it ends in tiny rooms called alveoli. After this, it enters tiny blood vessels or doorways called capillaries. Oxygen from inhaled air goes through the alveolus walls and into the blood, and carbon dioxide from the body is sent into the alveolus to be disposed of. After absorbing oxygen, the blood leaves the lungs and now enters the king's room, or the heart. This process that occurs in the alveoli is known as gas exchange.
The heart pumps to provide oxygen to the cells, which are like little workers in your body. This action plays a main role in the circulatory system. After this journey through the kingdom, the dragon finally exhales, releasing backwards to exit back through the nose or mouth. The lungs will then fill again with oxygen, is inhaled, and goes back and visit the kingdom again.